Meaning of ionize.
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 Ionize. Ionize means to convert one or more atoms or molecules into ions by adding or removing one or more electrons. This process results in the formation of charged particles called ions, which have a positive or negative charge depending on whether they have gained or lost electrons. Ionization can occur naturally through processes such as radiation or lightning, or it can be induced artificially through techniques such as ionization chambers and particle accelerators. Ionization plays an important role in fields such as chemistry, physics, and atmospheric science.